Today is the unveiling, the ribbon cutting for a brand new state-of-the-art Mississippi River exhibit at the Children's Museum of Memphis. This has been over a year in the planning, design, fabrication, and installation. Multiple teams of designers, starting with child development and Memphis in mind. It's really designed to inspire kids to fall in love with learning while accidentally learning about Memphis and the Mississippi River. This is entirely due to the generosity of Billy Donovan. He left us the entire gift in a bequest. He's a longtime supporter of the museum and of Memphis, very philanthropic in all of his efforts, and his efforts continue. So this is a very big gift to the children of our community. We know that the jobs of the future are really hinging on our children's interest and proclivities in the STEM and STEAM world. We are in the process of redesign or redevelopment process for exhibits across the entire museum to infuse not only pretend play, but STEAM experiences. So including in the river, and there's everything from fluid dynamics and volume to some mechanical problem solving throughout the exhibit. There's hydroelectric power and a hydroelectric dam, the workings of a lock system. So lots of technological little pieces in there that are intended to inspire that sort of mechanical problem solving and engineering. We are super excited about the fact that kids of all backgrounds and all of our communities, including outside of the greater Memphis area, have a place to come that is completely designed for them with the intent of inspiring a love of learning. So whether your life is full of enrichment every day, or whether there are some hard challenges at the moment and you need a little bit of a breath of fresh air, this is designed to let kids know that learning is exciting and easy and fun and colorful and hands-on, and that it's available to them to do at actually a sophisticated level quite quickly. And so a lot of design work goes into making it accessible to everybody, and into kind of making sure that they might walk away with a glimpse of what excites them, what they're good at, and what they might want to become in the future. So it's a big deal to us to be doing all the design work to inspire that kind of ideation and growth. Come to the Children's Museum of Memphis and come often. It is designed so that your kids and your grandkids fall in love with learning. That works better if you do it again and again and again. We've got beautiful experiences across 60,000 square feet interior, plus our splash pad and play areas outside, all designed with that smile and the joy that actually goes along with learning that is memorable enough to last. And so we've got programming on the floor every day. The stuff that's going on in our art and innovation lab every day is really state-of-the-art and gorgeous. And every child should have the opportunity to experience it. No child's going to be left out of this river experience. Our biggest problem is going to be like getting kids to move over to make room for their adults. So we're having trouble keeping the adults' hands off of it. It's that fun and interesting. And that's the idea throughout the whole museum. So each corner has something special to attract a different learner throughout the space, and there's just lots to do here.